Nice. Oh my goodness.
Too young to understand the difference between
Never go thirsty with a 3-gallon jug in your car. Locked and loaded. All right, check it out. We got Scott. He said what's up to us in the parking lot, and we're both not on e-bikes, so he thought of a great idea to shuttle, and that's what we're gonna do. Thank you, man.
Yeah, let's get it.
Dude, check out how windy it is. My hair is blowing up. I think we're headed towards Freebird. All right, my dude.
All right, ready?
Enjoy yourself. Be safe. Nice. I was a little skeptical about hitting that, but I saw his line and he barely picked up. Damn, dude, Scott is fast. He used to be a downhill racer in Mammoth. He worked at the bike park. So sick. Oh, I clapped that so bad. Woo! Did he go left or right? I lost you, Scott. Oh, cool. Dude.
Yeah, dude, I must have let you be flying.
You're flying. I was just in the video. I was like, dude, this guy's fast.
And then a couple steep shoots that are
That's
pretty
dope.
technical.
I don't think I've ever done lefty.
Oh, yeah, this one's fun.
Every time I've done Freebird once, and then I went straight
Hooked
to
up
the
Hummingbird?
yeah.
Yeah.
So this would be a
That's what
first.
most people do. They don't even see this right here.
Yeah, it's like tucked away.
This one's cool. There's like a couple drops, but there's no gaps, so you can just hit everything without
Yeah,
seeing it.
done deal. Oh. Oh man. I want to follow him at his speed, but I also think I have to like catch myself because I don't know this trail. I just want to get familiar. It's pretty good though. Okay. Sick. Okay. Yeah, that's a husk for sure. Woo! So gotta follow his lead. Yeah, he wasn't lying about it being steep. So technical, dude. Wow. Whoa. That looks like a air tag. Woo. Yeah, solid. Alright, this is like basically the end of Animal. This is where I would have ended up if I didn't run into Scott. I would have done Animal to lower G, I believe. Bike wash. Oh my goodness. Dude, my front tire, I saw it as soon as I landed. Oh, that's a flat one. That is so flat. Damn. That was, you know what's crazy? I knew it as soon as I landed, like my front tire was gonna buck me because I landed on this. But luckily, we're chilling. I'm gonna try to ride down this piece because I don't feel like walking it. But my front tire is a little low. Thank goodness we're okay though. Able to ride this off. Oh my goodness, dude, I got flung. That was a good wake-up call though. Nope. I got caught in a rock.
Yeah.
And my front tire just like went out of me, and I just put my hands. I lost some air, but
alright,
we're chilling. I'll just put.
That was just a good slide.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Luckily, it was cool. Like
nice.
Impact wasn't that bad.
Top part, free ride.
Right.
A bunch of hits you can do. Yeah.
You got options here.
All the stuff.
Yeah. So this one, I've never gone down. I've climbed up. I don't know the name of it though, but I'm always down for an adventure. Oh, we're on gear. Oh, nice. Dude, this guy is a racer. I'm convinced. Oh. That was actually really fun. Oh. We were a little nervous that this trail wasn't gonna be that great because it's kind of in the shade, but it's rolling so good. Slurp. Oh. So good. Not my best line choice right there. Ooh. Dude, it was running really good.
Yeah.
So surprised. I was like convinced it was gonna be muddier or more muddy.
Yeah.
But that was nice. Money, 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 money. Thank you, Scott.
Oh, yeah, man.
Until next time. Look at that, man. Knee pads came through. Kind of bummed. I really like these pants. Man. Huge shout out to Scott, man. He's such a cool dude. He saw me at the parking lot at the bottom. He just came up to me. He's like, hey, you want a shuttle? I was like, dude, let's do it. And it worked out because he was on a time crunch. I was on a time crunch, and we got to know each other very well. The dude's a shredder. Like, I didn't know what to expect, but then after that first, you know, drop on Freebird, I was like, oh, this guy can ride. He has a long history of like riding bikes. He used to work at Mammoth throughout college, so he got a lot of laps in during his time up there. It was also really fun for me because I mentioned to him that like when I hit new features or hit new trails, I really go slow because I want to know what's ahead and get a feel for it. And he rides this area weekly, you know, so he has the trails pretty dialed. So as long as I kept him in my sight and I saw what he was hitting, I was good because I knew I could just mimic his technique or his riding, and there wouldn't be so much like hesitation on my part. Honestly, that little crash that I had was purely because of the lack of air in my front tire. It's a bittersweet because I really like having squishy tires, but then on drops like that, or if I get caught on like the side of a rock, my tire tends to roll, and then it results in what happened in that crash. But I honestly have to find a middle ground because I do like a squishier tire, but I do like my tires to hold when I roll on a rock. So maybe I'll mess with that and go a little harder on the PSI. I think I still had a good session. I felt confident on the bike. I felt in control. Like I said, it probably had a lot to do with me following Scott throughout the trails and mimicking his speed, his technique and things like that. But for the most part, like, it was good. I had a lot of fun. I'll probably keep this loop in mind the next time I'm in this area, for sure. Time to get home and get this day going. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next ride.